Hello guys, it's ZeddieEddie here. Welcome back to another video on low carb kitchen. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make special low carb chicken tikka masala based on cauliflower rice. Roll the titles. And for this, you will need a cauliflower, of course, some chicken, and in this video, I have to say, we're going to cheat a bit and use some tikka sauce, and also some frozen peppers. So let's get started. First of all, we need to wash the cauliflower. Oh, that's done now. Soak the place. Anyway, just give it a wee shake to dry it off a little bit. Then what we need to do is cut it using I just need to dry my hands. Cut it using a very sharp knife. So you might need an adult's help with this. Now we can just use our hands to take the leaves off. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get one of these t-shirts from. Okay, so now we've got the leaves off, we can first of all we need to cut this bit off using our sharp knife. Now you might need an adult's assistance for this. And we're chopping them into roughly equally sized bits. Okay, now we're going to get a bowl and then finally grate it using our pyramid grater. And believe it or not guys, this should make our cauliflower rice. Just excuse it jangling around in the bowl, that's just it. You know what, cut mustard? Let's just cut ahead and cut this bit out. It'll take ages, won't it?
Yeah, okay.
Well, let's just cut ahead. Okay, I'm just gonna add some turmeric. And this turmeric's only really, it's more about looks, giving it looks than flavour, so just gonna add in, that smells good. Just gonna add in 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir that in. I'm just gonna set this aside beside the hob, and then we can prepare the chicken. So just get a frying pan, turn on the gas.
Of course not, Zach. You haven't chopped the chicken up yet.
Oh no. Okay, I'm going to chop up the chicken into smaller bits like you would in curry. Just cut this up. Should we speed this bit up as well, cut mustard?
Yeah, I think we probably should.
Okay, so next we need to turn the pan on to high heat. Our lovely non-stick pans, we won't need any salt, oil. And you probably heard me bang on about non-stick pans, but I just want to talk to you about the sauce while we're waiting for that to heat up. So I know this is kind of cheating using a sauce from a jar, but sharwoods sauce, it's my favourite. And for the 1/4 of the jar, it's only 10 carbs, and that is good. So that means that the whole meal would be less than a large banana, and that's quite small. Okay, that should have warmed up by now. So let's just get this chicken into the pan. Okay, we're just going to keep cooking until the chicken's cooked, absolutely. And then altogether that would be 15 minutes worth of cooking. Okay, now they're finished, they're definitely cooked now. We can turn them down and then we can add the peppers. So let's just do that. I'll be adding approximately 175 grams of them, but that doesn't really matter, you know. Oh, just in case you want to know, this will serve 4 people, this recipe. Well, just for speed, I'm using frozen peppers, but you can also use fresh peppers. But it's just frozen peppers I'm using just for speed to get this done so the video doesn't take 10 years. For a bit of advice of using fresh peppers, just use 2 of them and make them different colours just for it to be interesting. Okay, so that's when they're ready for the sauce. Let's just turn it up a tiny bit and lefty loosey, yes. There we go. So we can get the sauce. Pour it in. Of course, you can use your own sauce, like I said. Hitting the side always gets it out of the jar. Oh no! Never mind. Okay, so let's just stir in that other part of the sauce, and then we can get this rice all flash fried in the other frying pan. It's a bit of a tongue twister. So let's quickly get this in. We're only gonna cook it for a minute, so we'll need to just keep it moving so we don't burn it. As far as the carbs are concerned, there is per portion. There's about 5 carbs in the rice, and then there's 10 per portion in the curry. So altogether that would be 15 carbs for the whole meal, which is about the same as an average apple. So after this is all done, I'm going to divide this into 4, dish it up, and then we'll see what it tastes like. So exciting! So we're just going to make that even, and that way we'll know whether it's exactly quarters. That looks really, really amazing. Let's hope it tastes as good as it looks. Now I just need to test and bolus, and I'm only gonna bolus 15 carbs.
Okay, what's your blood test?
It is 5.2.
Okay.
Sending to pump. Here we go. 15. Next. Go. Now I have to eat this, so let's just give this a try then. I hope this tastes good. Here we go, moment of truth. That tastes really, really nice. Man, it tastes nice. I'm having this a lot. Well, I just want to finish this, so I'm going to sign off now. If you made this and you want to tell me your feedback, just let me know in the comments below. But for now, let me just enjoy this beautiful dinner. Bye. Peace out.